GaGa Gigglez Kids channel. Yell the right answer. Here's a fun and easy Bible quiz about God's creation. Let's get started. On the first day, what did God create to brighten the day? Was it light or popcorn? You're right, it's light. What did God create on the second day to fill the space above us? The air and sky, or pizza? Great job, it's the air and sky. On the third day, what did God create? Dry land, plants, and seas, or a roller coaster? Correct, it's dry land, plants, and seas. If you're enjoying this quiz, don't forget to subscribe to GaGa Gigglez Bible Beat. On day 4, what did God create to light up our days and shine in the night? The sun, moon, and stars, or a spaceship? Exactly, it's the sun, moon, and stars. On the 5th day, what did God bring to the skies to fly and the oceans to swim? Birds and fish, or balloons? Yes, it's birds and fish. Here's a fun fact about God. God is eternal. He has always existed and will always exist. He created all that we can see, taste, touch, hear, and smell. He created you and me. What did God create on the 6th day to roam the lands and take care of his creation? Animals and people, or robots? Animals and people? Did you know God created animals and asked Adam to give them names? Adam had the coolest job of giving names to all the animals in the world. After creating the world in 6 days, what did God do on the 7th day to enjoy his awesome work? Did he rest or have a party? Yes, he rested and blessed us with a day to worship him. Who was the first person on earth that God created? Adam or Spider-Man? You guessed it, it's Adam. Who made you? God or a computer? Absolutely, the answer is God. How long did it take God to create everything? 6 days or 15 minutes? Correct again, God created everything in 6 days. Here's something neat to think about. We can look around us every day and see the incredible things God has made. He created animals, plants, the earth, the skies, people, and so much more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.